What's good, Dopamine family? We have another Lvlz review today. We got the Strawberry Cough. The Strawberry Cough is live resin liquid diamonds. This is their 2G. It is at 89.53% THC. Let's crack into her. Bitch. Let's open her. Ooh, there's a strong strawberry aroma. It reminds me of melted strawberry. From the smell, I'm not getting any crazy gassy or anything. I'm just getting straight strawberry. This bitch is fucking smacking. I'm probably gonna give the Strawberry Cough a 9 out of 10. Honestly, the flavor's pretty good. It hits pretty good, and it gets you geeked as fuck. Honestly, you can't go wrong with Lvlz, in my opinion. That was the Lvlz Strawberry Cough review. As always, stay safe, toke up, and have a good one.